Kitchenware or tools for cooking. Examples include pots, pans, spatulas, and spoons. They help make delicious meals. Spoon. Fork. Plate. Cup. Knife. Bowl. Frying pan. Pot. Mug. Apron. Blender. Bottle. Burner. Coffee machine. Colander. Chopping board. Dish soap. Dishwasher. Grater. Microwave. Mixer. Oven. Oven mitt. Saucepan. Spatula. Teapot. Toaster. Trash can.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video then, please subscribe, share, and like.